Hello guys, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. I've got 2007 BMW X3, and this is the four-wheel drive version, and this is a 3.0 liter SI. And today I'm going to show you how you replace the gasket, the oil cooler gasket on this one. First thing you want to do is you want to put a cloth underneath this. Make sure that none of this oil and coolant drips, and then open your coolant to relieve some of that pressure. Okay, relieve some of that pressure on that coolant. Open that up, and what I like to do also, I like to open the engine cap for the oil. Keep that open as well. And then the best size to remove those three screws, there's one on the top left, one on the right, and then one in the bottom, and it's right there, right by my finger there. All right, so there's, again, I got interrupted here. So one here, one there. And by the way, this is the leak. You can see the leak on the top here, and there's at the bottom. It's actually pretty severe too. And there's one right by my finger there, right here. Not in the middle, it's kind of towards the left a little bit, on the left of that, on this hose here. So the best size to remove this is going to be 3/8. That fits in just perfectly. This is, it fits in just perfect. And what I do, I use small extension, just like this. Actually, for the bottom one, I probably need a small extension. Something like this would do. I can even use this on the top. I don't think I need that long extension, to be honest. Just a small extension would do. And I've got my ratchet. And basically that's all you have to do, just to remove them out. Make sure you got a rag. You got a rag underneath this cooler to catch the antifreeze and oil. So that's that. I'm gonna set this right here for now. And the bottom one, and again, that's let's see if I can get a good grip on it here. Let's see, there you go. And you can see that a little bit of coolant and oil start dripping. And that's it. We got a rag there. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning some of this residue and remove this gasket. And let me show you actually what the, first get my pick. And let me show you actually the part number. This is the part number right there. It looks like this is a genuine, because it does say yeah, it does say original, so I'm not sure. It looks like it's a genuine piece. So that's the genuine part, and this is the part that we're gonna need. Now I did get my picker here, and that's how you just gently just remove this gasket here. And if you notice how this is pretty thick and hard, it's not flexible as this one. You can see this is kind of more flexible, but with this, It's hard. This gasket is gone, need to be replaced. So let me go ahead and do some cleanup here with maybe very carefully using brake cleaner on the surface here. Make sure none of that brake cleaner goes inside either a coolant hole or the oil, and use my clean rag here to clean some of that oil and buildup. And we'll put the new gasket in, and that should do it. That should be all we have to do for the leak. It's an easy fix, but you know, if you don't pay attention while it's leaking and you get a low oil on your engine and you keep driving, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So get your car fixed whenever you see any lights or whenever you think there's a problem. Don't keep driving, because otherwise you're gonna keep leaking that oil out. All right, guys, so we did go ahead and clean this, and we cleaned the surface on here too. This is actually not coming out, but I mean, it's pretty clean. We cleaned it very carefully. It's very smooth and clean now. We're gonna go ahead and put the new gasket in. Make sure it's in a place, and keep our rag in there, and just gently put this in. Put the screws in. We got 3 screws that we need to put in. So one right there. Our gasket is still in place. That's good. There's one right here. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with my left hand because I'm recording on my right hand, and I want to make sure that I show you this part. And then we got one more that you get to from the bottom, and it's on the left of this hose. It's really hard to see, but you can feel. See if I can get to it with my okay, I think I got it. So now, that's what you need to do with your ratchet. Don't go too hard on the ratchet here, just tighten them up. Make sure your gasket is still in place here. Looks good. Yeah, this is good for now. That's good for now. And then the bottom one is going to be the tricky one. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and start tighten those up with a manual ratchet with my hand. And that's pretty much all you guys have to do to replace the oil cooler gasket on 2007 BMW X3 3.0 4-wheel drive. Thanks for watching, folks. Please subscribe and support us to continue providing these repair videos. We'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Have a great day, folks.